What's up, Tech Mania fam? If you're building a cutting-edge AMD Ryzen 7000 series PC for 2025, the motherboard is your foundation. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX AMD B650 ATX motherboard. This board is packed with premium features, ready to power your next-gen build with incredible stability and performance. Ready to lay down the ultimate foundation? Find the direct product link in the description below. The GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX is designed to fully support AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors on the AM5 socket, making it perfectly future-proof for upcoming CPUs as well. It's fully DDR5 compatible, featuring 4 DIMM slots with support for both AMD Expo and Intel XMP memory modules, ensuring you can run your RAM at top speeds for optimal gaming and productivity. Power delivery is crucial for high-performance components, and this board excels with its twin 14+2+1 phases digital VRM solution utilizing 70A power stages. Combined with an 8-layer 2x copper PCB, this robust design provides stable and efficient power delivery to your CPU, even under heavy loads. Keeping everything cool is GIGABYTE's cutting-edge thermal design. You'll find fully covered MOSFET heatsinks with a 6mm heat pipe and M.2 thermal guards, all working to prevent throttling and maintain peak performance for your components. Connectivity is next-gen ready. This motherboard boasts PCIe 5.0 support for the latest graphics cards, along with PCIe 5.0 NVMe X4 M.2 slots for lightning-fast storage. You also get convenient front and rear USB-C ports. For networking, it's equipped with 2.5 GB LAN and Wi-Fi 6E, ensuring incredibly fast and low-latency connections for online gaming and streaming. Plus, features like EZ-Latch for quick-release PCIe and M.2 connectors, and QFlash Plus for BIOS updates without a CPU, make building and maintaining your PC a breeze. The GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX is an exceptional choice for anyone building a high-performance Ryzen 7000 system in 2025, offering robust power, advanced cooling, and future-proof connectivity. That's our overview of the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX. What's the most important feature you look for in a motherboard? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Tech Mania, and hit that notification bell. Stay techy.